Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming system readiness. Windows 10 or 11, at least 8 GB RAM and enough disk space. Once confirmed, install iTunes and any Apple drivers so the PC recognizes devices. Next, choose your path, an emulator for apps and testing, or a Mac OS virtual machine for full iOS tooling. Make sure virtualization is enabled in the BIOS and download the VM or emulator installer now. This gets you past setup and into the actual configuration quickly. Now you build the working environment. Create the Mac OS virtual machine or run your chosen emulator. Assign 4 GB or more of RAM and multiple CPU cores to keep performance smooth. Install Xcode inside the VM if you need developer features, or use the emulator's sideload option to run apps directly. Configure USB pass-through to connect an iPhone, enable shared folders for file transfer, and test network access. Once configured, take a snapshot so you can recover quickly if something breaks. Finish by validating everything. Install an app, run it, and pair a real device if needed. Observe responsiveness and any input lag. Make incremental adjustments, increase RAM, tweak cores, or enable acceleration to improve performance. Keep guest additions and emulator plugins up to date for stability and clean up unused snapshots. If things go wrong, revert to the snapshot you took earlier, inspect virtualization and USB logs to find the fault, and rerun USB pass-through setup to restore device connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.